Here we are at the黃大仙. So we have heard that after the September 1st of that Shala typhoon, which one is this looks like a super typhoon, causes the hurricane signal number 10, and then September 8th, due to Hai Kui typhoon, causes the black rainstorm warning signal put into the extreme conditions on the first time. And this looks like how it's having an aftermath. As I only see that there's a A757, A758 train to Whampoa of the control line has been here, but now it's leaving. As you can see, this is a ceiling of that platform, which is obviously leaked. It's really leaked, very severely. That looks like a painful experience. So we have that. This is a bucket and a hose, and this ceiling is already leaked. And we have to, and the MCR assistant and the jobs are need to put that into ceiling is to avoid a leak. On a second happened, we have heard there's an escalator got already not in use due to flooding on黃大仙, just like I already told that. And we also have the same wear, which also it goes everywhere and here. Oh wait, I should where are they? Why is only a bucket here?
往調景嶺，列車即將到達，請先讓車上乘客落車。
前往調景嶺的列車即將到達，請先讓車上的乘客下車。
The train to Tilting Lane is arriving. Please let passengers exit first.
So like I said, is suspended. As you can see, the escalator is already stopped working. So we won't have to use the way to get down to the platform or concourse. This one is to train. The bucket and the hose is everywhere. So this one needs to go to the concourse. Just this one looks like that way. It's not used. So let's get up here. Oh, I don't like it when it keeps happening when the escalator is now malfunctioned because of the extreme rainstorm, which is like 5 centuries of that rainstorm. So these are what's happened after the well, that was unfortunate. Escalators are stopped working. Even the worst thing is some platforms are going to have to, and even worse, I don't know what's going to happen. And exit 8 is all the same. And everywhere, the escalator is stopped working very badly. Oh, it cannot go here. Guess we have to figure it out. Escalator. it's already stopped working because of the rainstorm. All because of that high quick cost into like this. This is not very good. Even the elevators or some elevators aren't working or not. There's one that I think I've heard that a pump is already put the water away. It should go from this to this. Light rail. Oh my god. Turns out it's from, I wonder if from this to this or this. Oh, crazy. Those are the old Frankenstein platform. This one is a broader one. All the exits with the escalators are now stopped walking, just like the announcement says.
Some escalators are under repair and not in use. Please use the staircases.
Oops. And the lift, and this lift is still working. So I cannot go to these escalators because some escalators are work, but those are going to either as platform or concourse. So let's get the lift instead. So L2, close the door. Here I go. Let's go to the platforms. Poor thing, no announcement. Hopefully the Long Tai Sin station platforms, concourse, escalators, and the elevators are supposed to be restored very early. If not, it will be delayed. Also, there's a bonus. This area is closed until the second quarter of 2024, while the improvement work will be carried out into nowhere. I have no idea. Thank God, this has been already protected by the rainstorm. Thank God it's protected from the rainstorm. That tide gate. Well, guess I have nothing to do right now. Anyways, this is Loop P-02. That's all. Sign off.